Today, I will show you how to connect Google AI Studio to the Google Drive API. First, open your browser and go to the Google Cloud Console. If you do not already have a project, click New Project or Create Project. Once your project is ready, in the left sidebar go to APIs and Services, then Library. In the library, search for Google Drive API. When you find it, click on it, then click the Enable button. This turns on Drive access for your project. After enabling the Drive API, in the same APIs and Services section, go to the OAuth consent screen. Choose External for user type unless your workspace has a different requirement, then click Create. Finally, publish the consent screen. Next, open Credentials from the menu. Click Create Credentials, then choose OAuth Client ID. The console will show a client ID and client secret. Download the JSON credentials file and keep it safe. Now head to Google AI Studio. If you intend to use the Drive API from your AI-powered code, for example through generated code or custom scripting, configure your project to use those OAuth credentials. This often means placing the JSON file as part of your environment or using the correct authentication method depending on your setup. With authentication configured, when your code requests access to Drive, your app should prompt for consent. Once consent is granted, your app will receive an access token that it can use to call Google Drive API endpoints. Thanks for watching.